Right. Good evening, guys. Can you hear me, all of you? All of us, can you hear me? Right. So, fine, guys. So today, what do we do? Let's talk about some Python mini to large projects, guys. Okay. So start with very many projects, and slowly we increase the length of the projects. Means we'll take the lengthy projects, guys. Like major projects, all of you. So start from mini projects to then we'll go with what major projects, guys. Okay, major projects. So in this journey, we'll try to make a little bit more number of projects from mini to major. Okay. So in that one, let's take the first one. The first one is Sims project, guys. Okay, Sims project. What is the full form of the Sims? Sims stands for Students Information Management System, guys. Students Information Management System. All of right. So here, what we do, we're going to make some CAD operations or CRUD operations on students information, guys. Okay, so here what we do now, what we do here, we are going to perform which one? CRUD operations. Okay, by using what here? By using MySQL, guys. By using MySQL. So in this case, I am not going to use any presentation part, not going to use any Django. It is pure Python with the MySQL additional, guys. That's all. Pure Python code. Very pure Python code I am going to use here. Okay. So what is the meaning of CRUD? CRUD stands for what? Stands for create, read or retrieve, update, then delete. So nothing but I am going to create students data, means I am going to add students data. Okay, all of you, students data I am going to add. 1 second, guys. First create the students data, and then read the data from database to our or Python, and then update students details, all of you, and then delete the students details, guys. Right? So creating, reading, updating, deleting the student details. Okay, it's very mini project, guys. And the same project we'll see later by using Django also, guys. Not now, at the end. That will be the major project, one of the major projects. Okay, right. So first, what do we do, guys? The first step is create one database in MySQL MySQL, and then connect database or Python with what with MySQL, guys. Once connection is done, then we can perform CURD operations. Once connection is done, we perform CRUD operations. Okay. So first I am going to create which one database in MySQL. I am going to use one database, that is MySQL 8.0 I am using here. Right. Just create one database, guys. Create database. The database name, let's take Sims. Alright. Okay. Sims. That's all. I'm taking this name Sims, guys. Enough. The database is created, and I use Sims, right, and show table. See, as of now, no tables are there. As of now, no tables are there. Okay. Now, guys, observe here. I am opening ideally to create this project. Create a new file. Okay, new file, and I just increase the font size. Okay. Let me take some 16 like this. So now, and one more thing here, guys, observe now. To connect Python to MySQL compulsorily one Python module required, guys. What required? One Python module required. This is what Allah observe here. So this is what our Python. This is what our MySQL, right? Now between these two, I want to implement connection compulsorily. We use one module. That name is called what? PyMySQL module, guys. That PyMySQL module we download from where? From the command prompt. Just go here and pip install what? Pip install PyMySQL, guys. Okay. If I click enter, it downloads and installs automatically. Downloads and installs. Okay. But in my case, guys, already I have this PyMySQL. So it says that the requirement already satisfied, guys. All of you. It says that requirement already satisfied. You can observe now, guys. You can observe there. It's saying that what requirement already satisfied. That means what in my laptop already this module is there. Okay. Right. Now, so what do I do here? First I am going to import what? Import PyMySQL, guys. In this PyMySQL, one function is there, that is connect function. In this function, I am going to add database credentials. Host equal to which one? I am using the local, guys, right? Local host. Then user equal to, by default user is the root, guys, here. And password of MySQL, I am giving the password of MySQL is what? Narayana. And then what is database notation I used, guys? Tell me. Sims, right? Okay. Sims, guys. That's all. And these are credentials assigned to some variable called connection variable, guys. Okay. Or connection variable like this. Now I want to verify whether these connection details are valid or not. For that one, we execute this object, guys. Okay. Because in this object, that all credentials are there, right? All credentials are there. So that's why what I am going to do here, that object I am going to execute by using what? Cursor. And for this cursor, give the one name called C, guys. I am giving the name, that is what? C. Now C for what here? C for connection. C for cursor, guys, here. C for cursor, which executes a connection variable which contains database credentials. Okay. Right. Now, guys, observe here. What happened now? Finally, the C is created, right? The C is what now? Cursor, guys, which executes these credentials. Right. Now, first, what do? I am going to perform which operation? Tell me. I am going to perform which operation, guys? All of you. Right. Which one I want to create here? Create, right? Create, guys. Create means what? Like adding the students details, guys, right? Adding students details. Now, which details you want? We have to specify, guys. Allow, right? Which details you want, we have to specify. For that, first what we do? we should create one table here. We should create one table. In the table, we are the data guys, right? First, create one table here. Create one table. That table we can create normally by using SQL code here, or else from Python also we can create the table. Before performing these four operations, first of all we need empty table guys, right? If empty table is there, on the empty table we can create the data, read the data, update the data, delete the data. We can perform all operations guys. So for that one, first what we do, I am going to create the data. I am going to create the data. Okay, all of you. Now just observe guys here. Now what do I do here? Guys observe now. I'll create one function here guys. I'll create one function here. Function I am giving a menu guys. Okay, I am giving the menu. And in that one I am going to give all choice to user. Means you want to add the data, or you want to read the data, or you want to update the data, delete the data. Okay, I am going to give these options to first of all to user, right? So how to give the options to user? Now observe guys here. All of observe now. I am saying that I am giving first title guys, right? What is the title? Observe now. First I am displaying the title. What is title here? Simply students information management system. I am displaying the title first, right? And then what's first operation? Tell me now. First one what here? Create the data guys, right? So I am displaying to user that what's first operation? Adding a student data like this. Adding what? Student data. Okay. First one guys, right? First option. That's first option. Okay. First option. So we give four options to user guys, right? Our second option here. The second option is what? Reading, right? Reading students, all existing students guys. Okay, students data. Reading students data, right? What is third one? Tell me now. What is third one guys here? So adding over, reading over. The third one is what? The third one is updating student data. Any specific student guys, we modify at a time any specific student data. Then the fourth one is what here? The fourth one is deleting, right? Okay, deleting any specific student data. That's all. And I give one more option to him. I display one more option to him. That is what? Exist. Okay, exist guys. Exit option. That's all. This is what I am going to give him. After displaying this all, then I ask him, okay, please choose your choice. That's all. Please choose your choice. In that choice, what are the numbers available? Generally 1 to 5 guys, right? All of you observe now. He has 5 choices. So I am asking him, please choose your choice. That is 1 to 5. 1 to 5 guys. Okay. Now just guys observe now. I am calling this menu. I run this one first of all guys. Let's see what will happen now. I am saving this one like Sims project like this. So now guys observe here. Guys observe now. It displayed error. What is error? Localhost. I am using 5.0, 8.0, right? Then my password is Narayana only. Sims password, okay, user, okay. Then let me display port number also. That port number guys, okay. Right. Now guys observe here. Port number should be integer type. Okay, thank you. Should be integer type. Okay. Right. So like this it displays to user guys, right? So add student, read students, updating, deleting, right? So you can give the choice. Suppose giving the either one guys. Observe now. He may use option of either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. He can give any one number, guys. Suppose he is giving the option 1, choice 1. What does it mean? He is going to add students. Or he is giving the option 2. Option 2. What does it mean? What does it mean here? He is going to read all the students' data. He is going to read all students' data. If you give option 3, what does it mean? He is going to update a specific person, right? So now for this 4, I am going to make 4 different operations, guys. Right, all of you. Now observe here. Observe now what I am calling here. So if he is 1, like see whatever he is giving, whatever option he is giving, that option first of all take it, guys, not display. Take it into one variable called suppose choice variable, guys. Which variable? Choice variable. And as we know, the input function reads data in the string format. I am taking the int, so converting it integer format, guys. Integer format, right? All of you. Okay. Now, if choice, all of observe now. Choice equal to 1. Choice equal to 1. What does it mean? Tell me now. What does it mean, guys? All of you. If he is giving the 1, if he is giving 1, means that 1 assigned which variable now? Choice. Now in your choice, if value 1 is there, that means what? He is interested to add the student. For that one, just I am going to call the function, guys. I am going to call one function. I am calling one function, that is what? Creating a student function, guys. That's all. So this function I am going to implement later. All of you, just I am writing here. I am writing first of all here. Later I implement all functions one by one. Okay. Next, elif if choice okay is 2. What does it mean? Tell me now. Is going to read the data. That means I am giving reading students. This function I will create later. Next, elif if choice is 3. If choice is 3, then what you want now? Updating, right? Updating student, right? Student, all of you. Next one, again, elif choice equal to 4. That means he is interested in deleting the student, guys. That's all. For 4 options, I am giving 4 functions. Next which one? Elif. What next choice I can give? You can give which one is total mean? 5. If he is giving 5, what does it mean? Exit, right? Okay, exit, guys. Then I can display. What can display here? For example, you are exiting, right? Okay. By like this, guys. Enough, right? Enough, guys. And if he is giving other than 1 to 5, any other number he is giving, right? He is not giving either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. He is giving something 6 or 7 or before 1, like 0, -1, -2. At that time, I want display what here? I want display invalid option or invalid choice. Okay. And I can say please give between 1 to 5. Please choose, not give, choose the better. Okay, please choose between 1 to 5, or please enter better, guys. Okay, enter 1 to 5. That's all. All of right. All of let me know. Everybody is clear now. Till now, guys, we reply in the chat in the live. So guys, till now everybody is clear. All of you, till now everybody is clear, right? Now what do I do here? See, all of you observe. Here the function is created. That is calling, right? That is calling, guys. Here. Now I am calling this function. What do? I create now one by one, guys. These 4 functions I will create now. Okay, all of you. All of let me know. Everybody, is this clear now? Gautam Kumar sir, why are you using the menu functions sir? See, actually without functions also we can write all program, but I want to make this project through functions sir. See, I am going to make functions also here, but actually without functions also you can do all in single. Okay, but through functions it looks better. Gautam Kumar, okay. Right. Now what do I do? First one, I am going to define this function guys. I am going to define this function, the first function, def, right, def. Now, so I am going to create which function now? Def, this one guys, okay. I am going to create this function now. Def creating student, okay. Which one guys? Creating a student, right? Student. But already in this database we don't have the table guys, right? Table is not there. The table what do I do? Let me create here guys, create a table. Okay, students all of observe now. ID integer, name, some varchar of 30. Okay, next one students, right? So name, let's take one more. Age, which is integer, course, which is also varchar of some 30, right? So ID, name, age, course, and I'll take email ID also, email ID which is also varchar of some 30, and last one will take the contact number also guys, or else we'll take here mobile which is a big int, that's all. Now one table is there guys, okay. Here we have 5 fields, ID, name, age, course, 6 fields guys, right? Course, mobile and email ID, okay, right. Now I ask user enter these 6 details, okay. Now first what we do, we'll take from user here, which one, enter like student ID, enter student ID, right? ID means what? Integer guys, right? Generate is integer format. Let's take student ID, SID. Next one, input of enter student name. Let's take S name equal to. Next one, input of which one? Tell me after name age. I think it is age guys, okay. So enter student age, right? Then which is integer type. Then let's take age guys, okay. Simply age and course, right? So input of, in Python we use input function to take the user data guys, okay. Student course, then we'll take a course variable. Next input of enter mobile number, okay. Then it's also integer format. Then we take the mobile. Right, and the last one guys, email ID, okay. Input of enter email ID or student email ID, right? We can take email ID equal to, right? All of observe here. So what happened here? These all details are given by whom? User, right? User guys. Okay. Now these details, whatever giving by user, these details I want save in the database table. What's table name? Students, okay. How to save there? Yes. Now in the above, what is there? See cursor, right? So the cursor I am using execute of which command, right? Actually SQL command, insert command guys, right? We use which command? Insert command we use. So I am going to use insert into, because whatever data user is giving, that all data I want to insert into table, right? So insert into what's our table name? Sims guys, right? What table name is what? Sorry, students. Table name is what? Students. Okay, and values of values of so here we have which one six variables guys, right? So I'll take what 6 placeholders 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 6 placeholders guys, okay? 6 placeholders I am taking here, all of you. And then outside we'll take like this. So in the first place S, right? First placeholder I want insert which one SID. So I am taking the variable SID. The second place holder, what you want to place S name, right? S name. Then third place holder, which one you want age, right? So you want age here. Age. Next one course. Next one mobile. Next one what here? Email ID. Email ID, right? Email ID. Once this is all over, then that C I am going to commit guys. Commit means not C, should be cursor, okay? Sorry, which one connection guys, right? That connection we should commit, okay? Commit it, that's all. All of right. After committing, if it everything executed, I want display. What I want display here? Student data added successfully. That's all. Enough guys, right? So now guys observe now. Guys observe here. All of you observe now. So when it executed, it asks us enter the choice. When he is giving one, if condition is true, at that time it call this function guys. So it goes here, it executes guys, right? It executes. Now let us try this one guys. First one, we'll try first one. I am giving option 1. I am giving which one? Option 1 guys I am giving here. Okay. Now click enter. Yes, observe now. Enter student ID. Enter student ID. I am giving 101. Student name, let's take Narayana. Age, let's take this one. Course Python. Then number, I am giving a number, right? Email ID I am giving like this. All of you. And observe now. So find what displayed here. Student data added successfully. Now let's check the database guys. We'll check the database. How to check the database? Select star from which one? Students, right? Students guys. See now. The data adding is over. All of you. What happened here? Data is added guys. Okay. Data is added. All of you. Right? And so now suppose if user gives second option guys, right? Now suppose run this one. All of observe here. So run this one here. I am running this one. Suppose user giving the 2. User is giving 2 guys. Okay. User is giving 2. Right? Then see now. What does it mean here? It's throwing error. Why? Because when you give the 2, when the option giving 2, right? 2 is giving, at that time condition is true here, right? This condition is true. And it is calling this function. But that function is not available here. That function is not defined, right? That is not defined. That's why, okay? It's throwing the error guys, right? Now what I am going to do here, now that function also I am going to define, right? Def, what's function name here? What's function name? Tell me here. Okay. Yes. All of observe here. Right. Now, so what we do here? I am going to read all the data which is available, right? Available in the database. Right? For that one, guys observe here. So here what we do means, by using same, here what happened now, we executed which command? Insert command guys, right? Insert command we executed. But here in the same case, c dot execute of which command we write here? We write select to star from, or table name students guys. Let's see, to display the data, which command we use? Select a star from some table name, right? Some table name you're using guys, okay? Some table name you're using here. Alright, right? Right. Now the same query, the same writing here guys. Now suppose imagine guys here in this table right now only one row is there guys. Right now only one row is there. Suppose we have some 3 rows, 4 rows. Just 1 second guys. Let me run this program and I add some more data guys, okay? I'll add some more data, 1 or 2, right? Name Sai, age 20, course some Django, mobile number, right? And the email ID python at some gmail.com. Over. Now again on the program here. Now observe here again. I am giving 103. Let's take some name here. Age. Let's take something like that. Course. Data analytics number. I am giving some number like this, and email ID. Okay, some name I am giving guys here. Gmail.com. Right. That's all. Now let's check here. How many rows are there here? Now 3 rows are there guys, okay? 3 rows are there and coming here. Now see, when run this one, general it selects all, right? It selects all the data. Now out of all the data, how many rows you want to fetch? Out of all the data, how many rows you want to get? Do you want to get only first row or first n number of rows or all the rows? Right? Do you want only first row or first n number of rows or do you want all the rows? Like that, 3 functions are there guys, okay? 3 functions are there. So now observe here. What I am saying now, seed dot fetch all assigned to what? Some data variable guys. See here 3 functions are there. Fetch 1 function is there guys. Fetch 1. That means what? To fetch only first row guys. Only first row. Next fetch many of something 5. It means what? To fetch top 5 rows. Top 5 rows. Top 2 rows. Top 3 rows. Top 10 rows, like that. Right? And then I want all the data are. Then what we use? Fetch all. What we use? Fetch all. That means what? All data will read guys. All those will read. And now the data assigned to which variable now? Data variable. Which format? Tuple of tuples format guys. Which format? Tuple of tuples. That means first row 1 tuple, second row 1 more tuple, third row 1 more tuple, and finally all rows are in one main tuple guys. All rows in one main tuple. All rows one main tuple. That's why what I am saying here, tuple of tuples. That is what? Data, right? Data. You can observe now. Print of data guys, okay? Print of data. I run this one. I am giving choice 2 now. Choice 2. You can see all data coming, right? So if you observe now, tuple of tuples is there. So this is the first tuple guys, right? Up to here first tuple, and from there up to here second tuple, and from here up to here third tuple, and then you can see overall main tuples are there. If you want to understand very clearly, for I in data, we can print of I. You can see now I am giving option 2. You can see right? All data is displaying guys. Displaying all the data. All of you. All of it, me know guys. Okay, so this is what now? Reading the data from user guys, okay? Read the data from user, right? All of you. Right. Then what is third one user chooses here? What is third one guys? Updating. Update the data guys. Update the data. right? In case of update the data, first what we do, guys, here in the basic level, in this basic level, I can ask all details of student, guys. All of you can observe here, okay? So let's observe now. I am going to use about option 3, right? Option 3. What's the option here? Update student, guys, okay? Update student. So def, right. Now, how to update the data, guys? How to update the data? Now, in this case, what I am going to do here, first of all, I ask user enter. See, guys, here different ways to update the data. The very basic level is take all the details of user. Again, same. Enter number, enter name, enter student, age, course, mobile number, email ID. Enter all the details again, all details, new details again, right? And then that new details again insert, guys, here. Again insert here. That is very basic level, guys. Okay, that's one thing, guys. That's one thing, right? And the second one is that also very basic one, guys. So first ask the user ID first of all. Ask user ID. Ask him. If user ID is available already, then take remaining details, guys. Take remaining details. If user ID is not available, means he is giving the number which is not part of our database ID row. Suppose here 101, 102, 103 giving are available here. Suppose now he is giving 110. 110 is not there here, right? 110 is not there. So we can display invalid student number. That's what we try, guys. Okay, that's what we try. So first we ask user enter student number which you want to modify, right? And so whatever he is giving, that student number, first of all, you have to check in the database whether it is available or not available. For that one, first what we do, we bring again all the data. Observe, guys, here. We bring the data here. We bring the data. That also, I want to fetch all the rows, guys. Okay, I want to fetch all the rows. All the rows means what? All rows means what? I want to check all rows, all values. Okay, and now for I in what? For I in data. Now I means what? First time first row. Then I have 0 means what? This number, right? That I have 0. Observe now. Just I am going to print only I have zeros, guys. Only I have zeros. Observe now. Let me try 3, guys, right? I am giving 101. I can see now. Allah, right? Okay. I am giving a valid number. So now what is happening here? All numbers coming, right? That all numbers, S numbers, one list, Allah, right? One list. Then S numbers dot append of say of 0, right? Now finally in S numbers what is there? All list of numbers, guys. Okay, I am choosing the option 3. I am giving 101. You can see. Now what we do? This 101 we have to check whether is it available in this list or not. If it is available, then we ask the remaining details, guys. We ask the remaining details of user. If it is not available, we display what? Invalid student ID. Okay. For that, what we do here? If that S number in S numbers, right? The S number which is given by user is checking where in S numbers, guys. Okay. If it is available, if it is true, then I can ask the remaining details, guys. Okay, I can ask which one remaining details to modify. I can ask here. All of you. Yes, guys, observe now. If not available means else. If not available, I can display what here? I can display invalid student ID. That's all. All right. Now, if that number is a valid number, then take all the details, name, age, course, mobile, email ID, and the details we update where? We update where, guys? Tell me now. We update in the table. For that, what we do here? I am going to write C dot which query now? Execute of which query right here? Like update. Table name is what? Students. Okay, students, guys. Set yes name equal to which one again? Let's take the placeholders, guys. Again, age I will take placeholder. Then course I will take the placeholder. Then mobile will take the placeholder, right? And the email ID, email, right? Email ID will take which one again? Placeholder, guys. Placeholder. We take all placeholders, and this all data belongs to a specific person, right? Okay. So where S number equal to which one? A new placeholder. All placeholders, guys. Okay. Placeholders, comma. And then in the first placeholder, what you want? I want S name, right? S name. Yes name, and then or also taking the new line, yes name, then what here? Age, and then what here? Course, then what here? Mobile, and then what here? Email ID, and then what last one is there here? Last placeholder in this update number, guys. Which one? S number. Yes number. Here S number not modifying here, right? It is in the where condition. So if that number is available in the existing database list, we take all the details, and wherever that number is there, 101, then for that only the data will update, guys. All of you. Once the data updating over, and then what can we do here? That connection again, I am going to commit, guys. Okay, commit, and finally we display what here? We display data modified successfully. That's all of you. All of let me know, guys. Okay, and now run this one. I run this one, guys. Here I run this one. Yes, let us try now. Going for what here? We are going for 3, right? Option 3, guys. Okay, I am giving the number which is not available here. I am giving 105 giving, guys, right? See, if you give 105, what displaying invalid, right? Because 105 is not there here, right? 105 is not there. That's why else block displays what? Invalid. Okay, invalid, guys. And I am giving option, choose the option 3, updating 101 giving which is available already, asking the name for 101 already what data is there? 101 Narayana 30, like this, right? Now we can modify here. Let's take some name, Kavya here, age some 25 here, course let's take Java here, mobile number, at email. Now observe here, what is there here? Oh, S number in the clause, right? S number error, guys. Why S number error? Observe here. Where S number in the table, what column is there? Sorry, in the table ID column is there, guys, right? What column is the ID column? Okay, we should give ID column, guys, not S number. It is ID column. Choose the option 3. Means what I want to modify. Here. For which one you want to modify? I want to modify for 101. Okay, 101. I want to modify for 101, and 101 is available already. That's why it's asking the name. Let's take the name. Okay. Some name, guys, is 25, course Java number, right? And then we'll take here like this. Right? Oh, we should use these fields, but I think I used mistakenly these names, guys, right? That is what name, not S name. Next is course mobile, is course mobile, and email ID, right? This time there's no chance of error. Okay, I want update here. Which one I want update? 101. Okay, then give the details here. Okay, Java course, right? Mobile number, and then email ID python@gmail.com. Python@gmail.com. Yes, data modified. Okay, data modified, guys. Now let us try here. Now. You can see data is modified. Guys. I love you. So guys, let me know. Someone asked Gautam Kumar, so why you are using menu function, right? I'll tell you. Okay. So that use case you understand more once all functions creating over. I'll tell you again. Okay. And next one, last one? I want to delete a specific person, guys, right? Then for that, I am going to take the def again. Right. Now I want delete, guys. If you want delete, first of all, which one you want delete, which number you want delete, you have to give the number. I want delete 101 or 102 or 103. You should give the number, right? So first of all, that number take from user. So ask user which number you want delete. Okay, which number you want delete. Number means that person details, guys. Okay, enter student number, right? Student number. That is what S number, guys. Okay, we should take integer format. Again here also we should check whether that number is there, not there, guys. We have to check it whether that number is there, not there. How to check it again? How to check it, guys? Same format. Previously how you checked? Same, right? Previously I took all the data, then we have taken a for loop all of, right? So I repeat again all of observing here. So suppose I want delete the number 110. I want delete the details of 110 I am giving, okay, but here that 110 is not there, guys. Okay, that 110 is not there. That 110 is not there here, right? That 110 is not there. Alafu is not there, right? Okay, that's why we should throw error. Right? Suppose if 110 is there, then the data I want to delete, right? So that's why first what we do, we have to check it, right? For checking purpose, again the same process, guys. Okay, same process here. What we do, we take the data from user. Okay, then take all the numbers, guys. Now observe here, I am displaying all the numbers, S numbers. This time displaying all the numbers, guys. Okay, choose the option 4. I want to delete 101. See all numbers, right? All numbers coming. Now what we do here? This 101 should check in this numbers whether available or not available. If not available, then display error. If available, then what we do? Delete that specific data, guys. Okay, and observe, guys, here same. If that S number in S numbers, if it is available, then what we do, guys? We delete, right? How to delete? Same, C dot execute of right? Okay, so delete from which table, guys? Type in now students, right? Students, where ID equal to, we should use what? Placeholder. Outside we use what's placeholder here? S number. So whatever S number is giving here, you are giving as per the S number, the data will delete, guys. The data will delete. Deleting, delete. If not there, that number is not there, guys. Okay, if number is not there, we display what again? We display invalid student ID. Once data displayed, I want display print. What's print here? Student data deleted successfully. That's all, guys. Okay. So these are the all 4 options, guys, or 4 operations, right? Now I am giving 4. Which number you want to delete? I want to delete 105. 105 is there? Not there. So again I have to run the program, guys, right? Again I have to run the program. See here 105 is not there. Display error message, and again program over. Program over, and again I have to run the program. Again I have to run the program. Now option 4, 103 is there. Then the data deleted. Now check once, guys. Okay. I'll observe here. But the data not deleted from here, guys, right? Why? Because the reason is once data deleted, that should be commit, guys. Okay, that connection should be saved. Commit means what? Okay, apply on the database or save permanently like this. It's a 4, right? 4, 103. I want delete. Yes. Let's check once now. We can see 103 is not there. 103 is not there. Okay, not there, guys. All of you. Okay, right. Now coming to point here. Now what happened, guys? Here this all options over, right? All operations over, guys. Okay, this all operations over. Now here what do I do in this function? In this function, I am going to use a while loop, guys, because this one I want to repeat automatically. I don't want to run the program every time. See, if you observe now, every time I am running the program, right? Every time I run the program, guys, manually. But not like that. I want to check all the options at a time. I want to check all the options at a time. At a time, I want to check. For that, what do I do? How many times you want check here? N number of times, guys. Not 1 time, 2 times. I want to check n number of times. I can add 10 students means 10 times on the program. I can display data for 5 times, right? That's why while no condition. That's why I give what true. While true, and this all we take it in which one in the block as a block. Okay, as a block we take it, guys, right? We take it, and when we break it here, once this 5 choice 5 over, then you can break it. Okay, we can break it, guys. All of you. Now let us try here. Just observe, guys. Now I am choosing the option 1. Option 1, I am giving 103, okay, and I am giving some details, age, right, okay, and the course, I am giving Python, and a mobile number, I am giving mobile number like this, right, and see now the program means data added here, that is over. Again, it is running again. Why? To test the other option. To run the same option again, it's running. That's why what we have done here, this all we kept where inside which one? While loop, guys. While true. Generally in the while we give some condition. So as long as condition is true, the loop executes, guys. Okay, the loop executes. But here, how many times we execute this one? We don't know, right? That's why we are giving the true. We are giving true, guys. Okay, we are giving the true, right? And observe now. I choose again option 2 now, right? One option over. Checking the one option over. Now going for option 2. What's option 2 here? Option 2 means what? Right? Reading the data, right? So data reading over. Again, repeat the program, guys. Repeat the program. Option 3. What is the 3 here? Updating. Give a number. The data, that number I am giving. Suppose I am giving 103. 103 is there, right? Then asking the names, guys. Okay, asking the names here. Name and age. Okay, age here. Course. Right? Mobile number, guys. Right? And email ID. Okay. Something. Some gmail.com. Right, guys? Gmail.com, guys. Here. That's all, right? Now this data, which one 103 guys updated, right? Let's see now 103 updated. Okay, I don't need to check here guys, we can check here only. I am reading the data 2. I read the data 2 now to check the latest data. You can see now data is added here guys, right? Added and again asking again on the program I am asking the 4. I am giving the 4. Sorry, without giving number I clicked enter guys. Okay, that's why displaying error. I am choosing the option 4, right? The option 4 I am choosing guys here. Then 103 I want to delete. 103 delete here. Yes, deleted. I want to check it now. I am giving 2 to check. Now you can see now 103 is not there, right? 103 is not there. Finally, I am giving option 5. 5 means what? Exit. That's all. Exit guys. Program is over. Right? This is one simple example guys. A small and simple example to perform card operations. To perform the card operations guys. All of you. So guys, here if a person who knows like how to create a function, okay, or what is the use of the function, right, and the for loop, if condition, okay, this while loop, who knows these basics guys, they understand this program guys. If anybody don't know this while loop purpose, if condition purpose, else this def function purpose, right, and giving this connection, for them it may be little difficult guys. It may be little difficult for them, right? Guys, now guys observe here. If anyone has the doubt, you can ask me guys now. I repeat overall the program. Guys, observe here. I repeat overall the program. Observe now. This is the actual main function guys. This is actually the main function created. The name is given menu guys. Okay, menu name is given. In that one, I am displaying all options that our project has. Because our project is what performing the card operations guys, right? Card operations. So C for adding, R for reading, U for updating, D for deleting. So 4 options guys. And the last other option here, exit. Okay, exit. Now displaying these 4 and asking the user, choose your choice between 1 to 5. 1 to 5, choose the choice. Suppose now he is giving the 1. That means what? He is choosing what here? Adding the data. He is giving the 1. That 1 assigned which variable? Choice variable. Now if choice equal to which number? 1, right? In the choice what value we have given? 1. So if your choice is 1, then I am calling the which function? Creating a student function calling. That is already above created. It is going to here. It is going to here. It take all the data from user. It insert in the data in the table and display the message guys. That's all. That's what creating a student's data over. Again, as we are using the while loop, once the function is over, again it repeats guys. The loop repeats. Again, the loop repeats again. It repeats guys. Again displays all. It displays all. It asks you choose the number. Now this time I am giving the 2. I am giving the 2. Okay, I am giving the 2 guys. All of you. I am giving the 2. Right? Now, so you are giving the 2 means you are choosing which option here? Reading the student's data. So your choice is 1 na? No, it's false. Your choice is 2 na? Yes, it is true. If it is true, calling which one? Reading students voice. Okay, calling reading students here. It's calling here. In this case, I read all the students' data. Okay, and display all the data one by one. First row, second row, third row, like that. Once the function over, again what happens here? It executes guys. Again, it repeats multiple times because of which one? While loop. Right? Again displays all. Again ask user, choose your choice. User choosing what? 3. 3 means he is choosing which one? Updating up student data, right? So 3 you are giving assigned which variable? Choice variable. Now in the choice 1 is there? No, it is false. In choice 2 is there? No, it is false. In choice 3 is there? Yes, it is true. If it is true, call this function. Again going to top here, the function is calling. In this case, what is happening here? First, ask the student number. That number check in the existing numbers. If it is available in the existing numbers, then take the remaining details like name, age, course, mobile and email ID. Take all the details and for that number, whatever is giving for that number, update the data. Suppose he is giving 101 guys. Okay, he is giving what 101. Now 101 is available here. Then take the details. That all details we should modify for whom? For 101 only. That's why that all data we are modifying based on which one ID. Or ID number 101 we are given. The data will modify, message will display. That means what function is over, guys. Okay, function is over. Once function is over, again what happens here? It executes again. Now this time I am giving which one? 4. I am giving the 4, right? 4 means choosing what? Deleting. So in the choice, what is your number? 4, right? Now in the choice 1 is there? No. The choice 2 is there? No. The choice 3 is there? No. Choice 4 is there? Yes. Then call the function which one? Deleting student's choice. Okay, it's calling here. Again get all the student numbers. First take the which one you want delete. I want delete which one? Suppose 101. That 101 check in the database table whether 101 is there or not there. If 101 is there inside all the numbers, then delete a specific row based on the number which is given by user, right? And then commit it and display student data deleted. If you are giving 1 out of 10 or 111 like this, but that 11 not available in the database, not existed, the display what here? Invalid student ID. Now the function is over. In the function over, that means what again? It repeats again. Now I am giving option 5. Option 5. Then that is you are choosing what? Exiting right. All of you. Now the choice 1 is there? No. False. 2 is there? No. False. 3 is there? No. False. 4 is there? No. False. 5 is there? Yes. 5 is there. Right? Then we are displaying what? We are exiting bye and then break. Break means what? Come out of this loop now. Till now the loop keep on iterating. But now once you are choosing the exit, right? Exit means come out of the loop. That's all. Suppose I am not giving the 5, I am giving some 15 guys. I am giving 15 for example, right? Then so if false, right? Choice 1 false, 2 false, 3 false, 4 false, 5 false, all are false. Then go to which one? Else block. Display what here? Invalid choice. Displays what? Invalid choice, guys. Okay. So to re-execute this all again. We used what? While loop, guys. While loop is used. Gautam Kumar, we discussed very clearly the operators concept, right? Operators concept we discussed very clearly. What is single equal to? What is double equal to? Again asking what is single doubles are. Double equal to is for comparing. Single equal to means what? Assigning. Suppose observe now he is giving 111. That number taken by input function assigned to S number. That's why we used what? Single equal to, right? But here what is happening? He is giving 15, right? 15. That is assigned which one? Assigned which one here? Choice. The choice now what value is there? 15 is there, right? 15 is there. The choice what is there? 15. Now the choice I am comparing what? 1. What is the value here? 15. 15 equal to 1 na? No. Next 15 equal to 2 na? No. 15 equal to 3 na? No. 15 equal to 4 no. 15 equal to 5 no. That means your choice is not matching with any existing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options are not matching here. So display what? Invalid choice. So single equal to means assign the value. Double equal to means what? Comparing this variable value with the 1, with the 2, with the 3. Wherever that number is matching, and execute a corresponding function. That's all. And guys, here when you come to the connection, see this cursor. So C means what now? C means the cursor, guys. Cursor. Now to execute this SQL queries, we use what? Cursor, guys, in Python. So this is what actually SQL queries, guys, right? SQL queries. To execute SQL queries, which one we use? Cursor we use here. Cursor function we use, guys. Okay, that is the C. Right? Cursor. And here fetch one, fetch many, fetch all. Three functions are there. Fetch one means what? To fetch only first row from the table. Fetch one means fetch many of many. Fetch many of two. That means what? To fetch first two rows in the table. We may have 10 rows, 20 rows, 30 rows, or 1 lakh rows. But I am giving the fetch many of 2. That means what? To bring the first 2 rows only. That is what fetch many of 2. If I give the 100, that means what? To bring the first 100 rows only. I want to bring all the rows. Then what do we use? Fetch all. It means what? To bring all the rows. That all rows come in the tuple format. First row, first tuple. Second row, second tuple. Third row, third tuple. And then all tuples in the one main tuple, guys. That is what? Fetch many, fetch all. They bring the data in the tuple of tuples format. Okay, right. Guys, let me know. This is, guys, very small, very basic project, guys, mini project. So what do? We are going to make multiple projects, guys. Okay, right. So fine, guys. Now we stop it, and tomorrow in the afternoon, guys, if possible, we'll take another project. Okay, thanks so much, guys. Bye. So small. Yeah, you can create anywhere. See, this is a Python code. You can create in Atom, in VS Code, or in PyCharm, or in Notepad also you can create. You create anywhere. The simple thing is save the file with the .py extension. That's all. You can use anywhere. Suppose the same program. I cannot the Notepad also. This is the Notepad. For example, I'm showing, guys. Okay, it is a Notepad, guys. Notepad. Observe now. In this Notepad, simply write the code, and save the file with what? .py. Suppose I am using sims.py. Sims.py you should use, guys. Okay, that's all. Now it becomes what? Python file. See now, no errors, guys. Now, please, all errors are there and errors are not there now. Why? This became what now? Python file. This became what? Python file, right? Okay. And now where the file is saved? The file is saved in documents, I think, right? Documents, right? Sims, guys, right? Just now can observe now. Sims is there. Now run the program, run that file. How to run that file? Open that file, guys. That file opening now. That file is opening in the in the documents, Sims. Opening here and executing. That's all. Again, same, guys. Right? Right. So fine, guys, all of you. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. Bye.